Welcome, Standard 11 Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Lesson Probability. Concept of probability. Random experiment possess uncertainty regarding the actual result of the experiment. Actual result of the experiment, even though all possible outcomes are already known. Possible outcomes are already known. The classical definition of probability is based on the assumption that all possible outcomes of an experiment are equally likely. Concept: equally likely outcomes. All possible outcomes of a random experiment are said to be equally likely if none of them can be preferred over others. None of them can be preferred over others. Probability of an event. The probability of event A is defined as n of A divided by n of S. That is number of elements in the event A divided by number of elements in the sample space. Formula for probability of event A. Where mentioned here, check this, n of A for number of outcomes favorable for event A and n of S for number of all possible outcomes. Concept: elementary properties of probability. Let us see properties one by one here. First, A dash is complement of set A. A dash is complement of set A. Then probability of A dash is equal to 1 minus probability of A. Second result, for any event A in a sample space, probability for that event A always lies in between 0 to 1. Third, for the impossible event phi. Impossible event phi, number of elements in the set are 0. So probability for that impossible event is also 0. Fourth property, for certain event S, P of S is equal to 1. That is probability of sample space is always 1. A1 and A2 are two mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive means their intersection is empty. So probability for A intersection B is 0. So A1 union A2 expressed as probability of A1 plus probability of A2. Then sixth is, if A is subset of B, A is subset of B, then probability for A is less than or equal to probability for B. Seventh result here given for addition theorem to events A and B in the sample space S. This is the result. A union B probability equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Next, for any two events A and B, probability for A intersection B complement. Complement is for B. So its probability is obtained by probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. Next, for any three events A, B, and C, three events are there of the sample space S. Then probability for A union B union C, union of three sets is obtained by probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability A intersection B minus probability B intersection C minus probability A intersection C plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. 10th, instead of the 3 events given as a n events, A1, A2, A3 up to AN, and these all events are mutually exclusive. Means if you take intersection, then that intersection is surely getting empty. Means all these intersections are getting 0 as a previous if you observe. So n events are given, their union is taken as probability of A1 union A2 union up to AN, that is equal to probability of A1 plus probability of A2 A3 up to probability of AN. Exercise 9.1. Question first. There are 4 pens, red, green, blue, and purple in colors in a desk drawer, of which 2 pens are selected at random, one after the other, with replacement. With replacement. State the sample space and the following events. First event A given as selecting at least one red pen. Second event given for 2 pens of the same color are selected. And third event, 2 pens of the same color are not selected. Let us see one by one. There are total here 4 pens. Colors are red, green, blue, and purple. We have to first write a sample space. Answer: the drawer contains 4 pens. Pens are in color red, green, blue, and purple. From this drawer, 2 pens are to be selected, one after the other, with replacement. Means after selecting first pen, you can replace it in drawer, and then you have to again take a second pen. Check. The sample space S is given by, possibilities are sample space red, red, next red, green, red, blue, red, purple. Next, green, red, green, 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 blue, green, purple. Then blue, red, blue, green, blue, 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 purple. And last for purple, red, purple, green, purple, blue, and purple, purple. These are the possible outcomes for the sample space. Event first A, selecting at least one red pen. Then event A outcomes are red, 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 green, red, blue, red, purple, green, red, blue, red, and last purple, red. Selecting at least one red pen means you can select one red, otherwise 2 red pens. The second is here, 2 pens of the same color are selected. Check, both pens are of the same color, that is sample space events are getting here. Outcomes, both are red, both are green, both are blue, and both are pink. Third, event C, 2 pens of the same color are not selected. Then outcomes are getting, for the event C, RG, RB, RP, then GR, GB, GP, BR, BG, BP, PR, PG, PB. Question second. A coin and die are tossed simultaneously. Coin and die are tossed simultaneously. Enumerate the sample space of the following events. First, getting a tail and an odd number. Second event, getting a prime number, and third, getting a head and a perfect square as per given conditions, writing sample space. Check solution here. First, when a coin and die are tossed simultaneously, the sample space is given by sample space outcomes S are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Then for tail T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. After the sample space, next one, writing sample space for events. Event A is given getting a tail and an odd number. That is first getting tail and second is odd number. Possible check here T1, T3 and T5. First outcome is a tail and second is a odd number. Only these three outcomes you can write for a event A. Check T1, T3, T5. Next thing, second is given getting a prime number. Outcomes are H2, H3, H5, T2, T3, T5. And third for getting a head and perfect square, that is outcomes H1 and H4.